Green Planet Technologies, popularly known as GPT-India, brings to you one more video for a centralized dust extraction system for grinding and buffing application for metal dust. Over there you can see pulse jet back filters, which has been perfectly designed, engineered and manufactured out of high quality CNC machines. The suction of dust is taking place by the help of high power IT fans, which are connected with each back filter. This installation has been successfully carried on by GPT India in one of the renowned companies for metal fabrication in India. We will soon take you inside the production hall. Where you can see number of grinding and buffing machines. At the back of the machines, the common ducting is running, and there are suction hoods which have been placed just at the back of the wheels. The complete ducting has been laid down throughout the production hall for effective dust extraction. So for any requirement, please log into our website www.dustcollectorindia.com, or you can email us at sales@gpt-india.com. If you have liked our video, please press the like button, or you can subscribe to our channel for getting notified. Thank you.